People receive 121 emails per day. That's not even counting all other text messages, calls, social media notifications, and so many more. You are just one drop in the ocean of notifications your prospects receive. Yet, email is a super powerful channel to reach anyone in the world, because 60% of people prefer to respond by email rather than call or text. My name is Youssef, and I started using cold emails 10 years ago as a sales for companies like Google and Amazon. I have since then founded the Scalelab, where we have helped thousands of B2B companies and salespeople just like you to find new clients. And because it matters, I was also featured by Forbes as one of their 30 under 30 entrepreneurs. So, in this free course, I will show you how to write the best cold email template, including some hacks that you can implement right away to generate new leads. And to get you there, this free course is broken down into 4 modules. Number 1, the subject line. This is the first text your prospects will see, and I will show you here my best subject line tips to trigger people's attention. Number 2, the intro line. Once your email gets opened, the intro line is what determines whether your prospects read or dismiss your email. It's the first part of your email. Here, I'll share with you my favorite intro line formats that have helped me double my reply rate. Number 3, the value add. Now that you have your prospect's attention, I'll show you how you can structure your value proposition to make it compelling enough for someone who doesn't know you yet to actually respond. And finally, the call to action. Closing your email with a solid call to action will allow you to engage prospects consistently. And I will share with you the best method for closing your emails and ensure positive responses. So, if you have been hearing no, unsubscribe, stop emailing me, any reply at all, or you're just starting out with cold emailing, this free course is made just for you. Welcome to the Scalelab. It's now time for you to write emails that will make you stand out from the crowd.